How to fix Windows Update error code 0x80071a2d on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Such type of error code appear on your screen when you try to install Windows latest update, and to fix this issue, the first workaround is press Win plus R shortcut key to launch Run command box, and here type services.msc to open services windows in your system. Click on OK to open services windows, and in services windows restart or start some essential Windows Update services. The first one is Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right click on it and first choose Start. If you found already in a start mode, then restart it. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties and set up a startup type as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. Go to cryptographic services. Look for cryptographic services, right click on it and choose restart, and apply a double click on it to open cryptographic services properties windows, and startup type set up as automatic and choose apply and OK. The third one is look for Windows Update services or Windows Installer services, right click on it and start it. If you found it already in a start mode, then restart Windows Installer services, and its status is already grayed out. You can't change in it. So the last one is Windows Update services. Simply start it, otherwise restart it. Windows Update services. Apply a double click on it to open Windows Update services properties box and set as a startup type as automatic. Choose apply and OK to save the changes. Thereafter, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings. And here from the left side, go to System Settings. Thereafter, go to right side and choose Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, and here run the Windows Update Troubleshoot. Click on Run button, and this is an inbuilt tool of Windows system. It will initially, you must apply any type of troubleshoot. If you are facing error, then troubleshoot is the inbuilt best solution of Windows 11. So let the window complete the troubleshooting process and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search, type CMD and run command prompt. Open command from Windows, run as administrator. Choose run as administrator, and in command from Windows, first execute some DISM tool. This will scan your system, scan health, check health and restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time, and simply execute in command from Windows one by one, followed by enter key on each time. Once successfully completion of execution of DISM tool, execute SFC scan now command to check any corrupted files in your system. SFC scan now command will not only scan your system, but if any issues detected, it will repair them. If any corrupted files find your system, it will repair them accordingly. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, execute some Windows Update components. Launch command from Windows again as administrator mode, and in command from Windows, execute this command as shown on the screen. First, stop these 4 services one by one. Execute this command in command from Windows. First, stop all these services, 4 services, and execute one by one, and thereafter execute these 2 commands, software distribution hold and cataroot hold. Execute these 2 commands, same procedure, copy it and paste it in command from Windows. All these command path will also available in my description box. You may copy from there. Now again start all those 4 services which you have earlier stopped them. Now execute these 4 commands one by one. After successfully execution of this Windows update components, don't forget to restart your system. After that, your Windows update error code definitely be resolved.